This baby largemouth in the creek. Caught a little bluegill. We're gonna put him in the bucket. Oh my gosh, I caught one. Pumpkin seed, we're gonna let him go back. Caught a bluegill. We're gonna put him in the bucket. I'm only going to keep bass and bluegill. I'm not going to keep sunfish. Caught another little bluegill. Hold up. Green sunfish going back. I think that I'm going to start keeping these really pretty sunfish. Ow, it's poking me right now. But no, we got away. The only fish I don't keep because they will compete with the bass for food. This little guy, we're gonna put him in the bucket. Caught another one. Next fish. This little guy, we're gonna put him in the bucket. Next fish. Just caught this bass, we're gonna put him in there. Ooh. Next fish. This little green sunfish, we're gonna put him back. Next fish. Another little pumpkin seed, put him in the bucket. Another green sunfish, we're gonna let him go. Sunfish going back. Bluegill, we're gonna put him in here. I'm going to let this bass go because there's not a bunch of bass in the creek right now. And there's too many little bass in my pond, so we're going to let them go back. There he goes. Now we will be letting the fish go into my pond. First one, a little bluegill. We're going to put him in there. Number 2. Oh, we're gonna put him in there too. Oh crap, I about fell. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6 is this tiny bass I caught. That was number 6. I think this is number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Oh. I think that's number 11 maybe. Number 12. Number 13. Here, just let me drain this out. Number 13 or 14. And is that all? I think we caught 14 fish, but pop the reel number up right here. Forgot to say I didn't show you all the fish I caught because some of them were caught by my brothers, and a bunch of the green sunfish. I put all the green sunfish back. And I put some of the pumpkin seeds back in the beginning of the video. I don't really know why. But anyways, that's the end of the video. Stay goofy, goobers. Peace.